ba na si Jang?
Tara, Sare. What is... Katungkuan me. Hi everyone, my name is...
Hello.
Hello everybody, I'm Iris
My
Jacinta.
name.
My name is Iris Jacinta. I am 5 years old.
I live...
And Portos Tugas Kalihay Bohol.
Batikin ng motor. My father's name...
My father's name is Pedro Jacinta.
My ambition in life is... is to become...
Become a teacher Sunday. Thank you.
Atubang, atubang.
Thank you. Thank